Hi man, on the recommended documents in the IMMI website, there is a language ability English. This may include, you do not need to attach evidence of English language ability either as a visa applicant or Australian sponsor yet, okay? Those rules have not come into effect. The IMMI checklist has that listed because it's getting ready. It's getting prepared for when they turn on the requirements. It's there on the checklist so people know that they need to have there's a category there for them to upload that English language evidence. But it hasn't actually come into effect. The document checklist system has come into effect. It's incorrectly telling you that it's recommended, and it's causing a lot of confusion. And I've received this question in multiple kind of forums and versions and variations, and that's been the case for several months. I'm at least 6 months, I think. We've heard and seen that that's been on the checklist. So, Gabriela, you don't need to worry about it. Just submit the application based on everything else that you have. But that's why you don't see it on the Veazy checklist, is because it's not actually needed yet. When they turn that on, we'll add it to the checklist and we'll provide further clarification and guidance on what's going to be acceptable. And that kind of, that will flow into questions regarding what do they require. We won't be able to answer that question until if and when the changes come in and we know exactly what they'll accept. So for now, I'm not even going to go there because it's not required. And especially for you, Gabriela, if you've already submitted the application, you're not going to be subject to those changes. It's only going to be people that haven't submitted their initial application. So for you, nothing to worry about. For people lodging in future, might be something we need to look into, but we'll know more once they kick in.